It's definitely an overlooked recipe, but smoking chicken breast on the Traeger or whatever pellet grill you have is a really easy way to change up a basic chicken dinner routine. We get in that rut sometimes, and smoking chicken breast brings it to life. So what you do is you season up big old chicken breast with whatever favorite rub you have. We did two different ones here. We absolutely love Cajun seasoning and blackened chicken. So 2 chicken breasts were seasoned with that after some olive oil went on them. And then we used the Traeger chicken rub. Also a very good one. It has more like citrus, lemony, and black pepper flavoring. So we made these 2 sets of 2, so 4 chicken breasts total. And that one in the Traeger pellet grill for about 2 to 3 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. You really don't even have to flip them while they cook. They just come out perfect, juicy, tender, really good every single time. And you know it's time to take them off the grill when an internal read thermometer says that the chicken breast temp has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just a look at how tender and perfectly cooked this chicken breast turns out. You can serve it over salad. I do love to make little smoked chicken breast sandwiches with the chicken breast. So I just put some avocado, some lettuce, and there's a brioche. Cheers!